Today in this video, we will learn how to remove all kinds of viruses from Windows 10 computer. This is my third video after making two successful videos. The reason why I'm making this video is to cover thousands of more viruses cleanup. So let's get started. So the very first thing, you need to understand that you need to follow all the steps carefully. So have patience, please watch the whole video and make sure you do all the steps one by one. Thank you. So the very first step is we need to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. And here we need to type clean mgr. This is the very first important step which we are going to do, and this will remove the junks, unwanted registries, unwanted files. So this first step actually weaken the viruses. So we are going to remove their registries first. So here make sure you select all check marks, even recycle bin, and then I'll just click on OK. So it will start deleting all the bad registries and files, temporary files, cache from your machine. Then again, either you can do a right click on the start button from here, or you can simply press Window and R key together and it will open up a run window like this. And here you need to type temp and then hit enter. Now there are some viruses now these days, what they do is they create files in the temporary folder as well. So make sure you select any of the folder and press Ctrl A and then press Shift Delete. By pressing Shift Delete, we are permanently deleting all these. So we need to say yes. Now in your case, it can be more than 10 gigabytes, 10 GB, 5 GB, or even more than that. If some of the files are not, if you're not able to delete it, that's absolutely fine. That happens. So you may leave those files as it is. Now we will move to the third step. Just press Window and R and type %temp%, and then click on OK. This is another location of registries and the junks. Now there are thousands of folders. These are all encrypted data. The junk, the unwanted registries, you may have viruses sitting in it. Some of their files may be here. So we need to select and then Ctrl A. So this video is actually removing all kinds of viruses, and just press Ctrl A and Shift Delete and click on continue. Make sure you delete. So currently I had 730 megabytes and I just cleaned up this machine 15 days back. So you need to do it every month or every 15 days. This is fine. Now we are done with the 3 steps. Now we need to remove the virus. And how we can do that? Completely. So we will open this and open Google and type malware bytes. Now some of you have already run malware bytes, it's expired or something, because it's absolutely free. So either you can run malware bytes or Hitman Pro malware removal tool and the malware. Let me open the malware bytes. So what I would recommend to run the malware byte and see how exactly the system is performing. If still have any issues with the machine, then you can run the Hitman Pro as well. But some of us also get viruses in the browser. So one more step which we need to do is Window and R and type inetcpl.cpl and go to programs, let me just check, advanced, I'm sorry. Now here in advanced, you need to restore advanced settings and click on reset the browser. Now here you will get the delete personal settings. So I would recommend to delete the personal settings as well. If you have any favorites or something, you may export that and then do it, because this will delete the home pages, search providers, and internet file cookies. All right. Passwords, whatever you have saved in the browser, that will be removed. And it's actually good, because when your system is infected, you shouldn't have any kind of passwords in your machine. So resetting is a good option. So I'll just click on reset and it will reset the browser. So this was actually a 4th step, and then we will move to the malware byte scanner. So we will run the malware bytes first and scan the whole machine. And once you remove all the viruses and restart the machine, just uninstall the application. The malware bytes, in the search bar type add or remove programs. You will see an option like this, and from here just uninstall the malware bytes. Okay, so please let me know in the comment section if you have any issues. All right, and please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button.